Good morning, everybody. I fixed some of the audio levels. I should be like 5 times louder than usual now. So hopefully I didn't just deafen you, especially if you're used to turning the stream up really loud. Apologies. Audio's complicated, especially when you're using a non-USB microphone. So many different gains. I had the gain up high, the preamp gain, which boosts the audio before it goes into the, I don't even know what it's called, the sound processor thing that then goes into the computer. And while lying in bed about to fall asleep, the idea popped into my head of turning the gain down on that and then boosting it in OBS. And sure enough, I got better audio quality, twice as loud. So that's good. Stuff's complicated. Anyways. Alright, it's 9:30, so guess what I'm doing now? Clicking on a YouTube video that rings a bell every 3 minutes. And that will be my indication to look at my notes. That makes it so I can't forget. Very nice. Well, let me do a little intro. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. This is day 3, I think, I don't know, of a trade day evaluation. If you want to do your own, I'd appreciate it very much if you used my code for 20% off at no extra cost to you. Supports me a lot. Thank you. All right, everybody. This morning I was thinking about how easy it is to intentionally lose a trade especially with a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio. So just do the opposite. How can something be so simple and so difficult at the same time? That's trading. Hey Dylan, good luck. I watched your video, but I didn't know what to comment, and then I forgot. But good on you for transparency. I'll get started in just a minute. Or at least considering starting in a minute. It's either chopping or making directional moves, so just combine that with ATR to take the correct trades. That's it. Don't forget that. It's either smarter to expect it to return to an area it's already been or to go to a new area, depending on price action. That's the strategy at its core. And expect what's happening to continue happening. Don't try to time when it stops. Essentially, if you were trading this in hindsight, how would you trade it? Expect the conditions to continue. That sounds good. Using NinjaTrader for the first time, Niall? It can be difficult to get used to at first, but I really do think it's the best trading platform. For me, it is. Oh, the bell went off. Trading is the hardest, easiest money you'll ever make. That's definitely true. I thought of a video idea last night. Call it something like how to 100x your trading account starting with $100 and then in parentheses for beginners, and then some like clickbait thumbnail, and then the video is just a tutorial about how to go to a casino, and then put some meaningful lessons in there for the beginners who unironically will click the video and then be like, what the heck? This isn't what I thought it would be. And then boom, out of nowhere, they learn a valuable lesson. That's how you gotta do it. You gotta play the game. We'll see. Sounds like a good idea to me. All right. No more yapping. Yapping. Dial it in. Die up. Yeah, exactly. Trick them into learning. Sneak it in there. Does the audio sound okay? Sounded good yesterday. I don't know if I forgot to do something. It should sound pretty clear and crispy. And also not quiet. Good. Thank you, Groovy Man. Hopefully that massive dump on the 24th was just some big red day to scare everybody into thinking that the market topped and then we're dropping. That's what my investments want to believe. All right, quit getting distracted. It's gonna short there. Maybe if I wasn't talking, I'd seen it sooner. It's okay though. All right, remember, how would you intentionally lose? And then don't do that. Oh, the bell went off. That's okay, I haven't really started yet. I don't need to review. Could have moved the stop loss into profit, but that's okay. Still a good trade. I like this trade. I'm gonna move that up just a little bit though. I like it less. Good stop loss. Stay dialed in. Hesitated on the sell button just because I would have been entering at the very bottom of the candle, but it would have worked. It's okay. Sometimes that's a good entry, sometimes it's not. Depends on I guess, how directional it is. Come on. Oh, maybe not a good stop loss. I probably shouldn't have just moved it anyways. Would have hit the profit target. Yeah, okay. Good stop loss. But I shouldn't have moved the profit target. Bell went off. Review notes real quick. Right. Keep going. Short-term movements. Doesn't matter if this breaks or if we go way up. It's just about the small stuff. Nice price action. Oh, not a very good fill. Tried to click that when we were here. Losing interest in that. That's okay. Would have hit the profit target. If I was trying to lose this trade, I would short, so I should go long. Okay. So I was a little late to the party. Late again. Oh, get the high of day right there. It's okay. I wouldn't have gone for it anyways. That's beautiful. Mostly because I thought if I wanted to lose, then I would short. Because that's the high probability loss behavior that I often engage in. New strategy, reverse my brain. Well, I mean, I guess you have to have some experience first before you can truly reverse yourself and know whether or not you're actually reversing yourself or if you're still thinking of a trade that would work. I know what my high probability losses are, and that's only from many months of mistakes. I'll talk about that more in a little bit. Try to stay zoned in. Take some more trades. Good stop loss. Maybe not the best trade. Wow. Ah, the true high of day from the entire session is at 47. Well, I certainly could have got a little bit greedier there, but that's okay. Missed an entry there. Sort of thought about buying, so then I was gonna hit sell. I guess not really. I don't really know what I'm saying, but I'm focused. I don't know how people play games and talk at the same time. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I don't like this chart. Wanted to see it move instantly or not at all. All right, a few more minutes. I just can't get it in a spot that I like. I guess that'll do for now. Whoa. Okay, that was a mistake. Oh. It's 3-point intervals on the chart, that's why. Oops. Should have moved that down when I could. Probably should have taken more trades earlier. Definitely could have. Gotta work on that. Oh. That's a lot more than... I didn't like that trade. The amount of points I was going for just seemed like too much for what I thought. Yeah, I'm glad I did that. Might work out, but still. I was not... Oh my god, I made the mistake again. Because these are 3-point intervals on the chart instead of 6 points. So I thought I was targeting just like half of the interval, but I wasn't. That's why I made that mistake. That's a dumb mistake to make. But at least I fixed it. High of day break. I'm gonna go to a 3 and 3 bracket. That's probably a bad idea. Yeah, it is. Well, I'll guess I'll end there. I don't know why I didn't finish green. That should have been better. I thought I took pretty good trades, but I think there were maybe like 2 or 3 5-point losses, or maybe 4-point losses. Unfortunate. So minus 4 points. Should have been better. I feel like it started pretty good. And then, I don't know, I guess I'll take a look. I think it was just a few trades. Like 2 or 3 that lost most of the day. It's funny, I could feel myself losing focus towards the end there. So I really do need to go ham earlier and then be done. A long time ago, I would trade for like 6 minutes sometimes and do really well. Maybe I should review those videos. I'm gonna have to take a look at my performance through here after about 9:48 or even 9:45. See what my P&L was before that. No reason to finish red. Lots of review. I sound like a broken record. But this is what learning looks like. That's okay. Let me catch up on chat a little bit. What's the definition of super scalping? I don't really know. Highly discretionary, taking trades based on whether price is consolidating or making directional moves, because in those conditions, it's higher probability or lower probability to either expect price to go to a new area or to return to where it's already been. And then you base your entries and profit targets off of that in a highly discretionary way. Or do what I'm doing with the 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio. It's all types of different ways to do it. Ideally, you would have a different stop loss and profit target size for almost every trade. But I know that when I open myself up to that possibility, I just go for way too big of moves. Pivot breaks, high of day, low of day breaks, and I trade poorly. I know that this is what I'm good at. This is what the edge originally was. When it was only a couple months into trading, had just discovered this and was going on huge winning streaks until I started going for bigger moves, somehow forgot what the edge really was, and now I'm back. Sort of relearning the lessons that I initially learned, now with the knowledge of what I'm bad at and what I'm good at. Parry. It's really amazing how I can be wrong in almost every trade. It's almost like my mindset is completely wrong. I have to rearrange my mindset again this week before going further. Yeah, if you can collect enough data, videos and stuff, and if you go through, you'll be able to see exactly the type of trades that you often get wrong. It'll take some time, and I'm obviously still working on it, but even today I used that to my advantage and won, I think, a lot of the trades that I specifically took because I knew the old me would have done something there, so I did the opposite. It'll just take time. Excalibro, 30 points. Amazing. Great job. -5 for you, Mason. Yeah, me too. I think -4, though. A lot of trades, though. Paid some good commissions. Do 200 push-ups if you keep repeating the same mistakes. Maybe. That might help you. You never know. You can take away something that you like, or you can give yourself something that you don't like as a tool to assist with behavioral changes. plus 36 for you, Cincy. Incredible. Show cat. I'm a guy. All right, I'll probably end it there. Unless you guys got something, I'll do the outro. Thank you very much for watching. I should have traded better. I will continue saying that for as long as it takes. And then eventually someday, I'll say, I did great today. Someday. That's okay. Taking it slow. Trading something that has similar pressure to a real account. And I need that. So, saving a lot more money by doing evaluations as opposed to trading on my own account. So I'll just keep on doing trade day evals. Was that even an outro? Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching the stream. Thanks for watching the videos. Take care. And bye-bye. Alright, that's good enough. Thank you, Perry. It can be lonely. Helps to find a community of like-minded, supportive individuals. We're all just learning. Alright. Bye-bye. Take care. Go do something that makes you happy. Don't focus on trading too much. Especially not the results. You're awesome. Bye-bye.